today I'm super excited because we're down in Brisbane and we're taking a look at some of the properties that we've recently bought. Now, this little cracker, which is a brick, tile, slab on ground, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in Brisbane, close to the city, was picked up for just $385,000. That's right, 385K. Now, our client came to us as a doctor working in Melbourne. He actually owns his own home down there completely outright and another investment in Bendigo outright. He'd been following our information as well as CoreLogic and Heron Todd White's for a little while and decided that Brisbane was the next place he wanted to focus on. So it took a little while to find this property for this client. He was quite particular and knew exactly what he wanted. But after about 5 or 6 months of working together, we were able to pick it up. So I'll take you through and show you, and then I'll come back and talk about his situation and goals a little bit further. Come take a look. When Zeyad came to us, he'd been looking at the Brisbane market for a long while on his own, but he realised because he was working hard and because he was interstate and because it was during the coronavirus, it would be difficult for him to fly up and check out the properties. So he went online, did his research and decided to partner with us. What's really interesting about his position is, like mine, he's super low risk, which is why he owns his own home and his first investment completely outright. Now, his goals as a doctor were to begin to reduce the amount of hours he was spending at work, to have choices in the future, and to have a passive income for life once he decided to leave that career path. And so this particular property is a low maintenance home that all he'll have to do over the next 20 years is maintain it. His goal is to own it completely outright and get the $400 to $430 a week of income for the rest of his life, which is awesome. Now, some of the challenges, because as investors we all have them, that he was facing was he was time poor. He was obviously based in Melbourne and he had a lack of local market knowledge. So I'm super grateful for this opportunity. Really low maintenance, high quality property that's going to tenant. We're a couple of days away from settlement now, and I just can't wait to round out and finish off the project and then move on to the next one with him. Thanks so much for this opportunity, mate. See ya.
Oh, sweaty. So sweaty.